Hey, it's Jonathan Can. Just making a quick video here. If you have one of these Murray cheap lawn mowers from Walmart, it's the Briggs Stratton 550E series. You can see the 140cc. Okay, if you have one of these mowers and it won't start, this is you've had it in the garage all winter long. Now you're trying to get it starting up. Well, these things have a problem with the carburetor. It's this plastic piece of junk carburetor that clogs up. Now, you can try cleaning it, but they're garbage. I tried cleaning mine, took everything apart, tried cleaning it, put it back together, it wouldn't work. Took everything apart again, tried cleaning it again, and it still wouldn't work. So I just looked the part up on eBay, and it's $8 on eBay. So just buy the part. This is the old one I replaced. Just buy the new one on eBay for $8 and just swap it out. And it's just so much easier than actually taking it apart and cleaning it. Put the new one in, start it up like a champ. So just a tip, instead of messing with the old one trying to clean out the little jet, just buy a new one for $8 on eBay, swap it out. It takes 15 minutes to swap it out. It's literally 3 bolts on top of this thing. You take off your air filter cover. There's 4 bolts that remove the thing. You pull the fuel line hose off, take it out, put the new one in, and put everything back together again. I mean, it's that simple. 15 minutes, you're done and up and running. So if you have one of these mowers, that's probably what's wrong with it. And quick, easy fix. $8. You don't have to take it into the shop or anything. Just replace this little plastic cheap carburetor and you'll be up and running. Alright, I hope this helped some people. Yeah, have a good one, guys.